Hey there! Frustrated with those pesky green lines ruining your favorite shows? Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the steps on how to fix Sony TV green lines. Whether it's due to a minor glitch or a more persistent hardware problem, this guide will help you diagnose and tackle the issue with ease. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, check all the cable connections. Often, loose connections can cause display issues. Ensure that all the cables, HDMI, power, and any other connections are securely plugged in. If you're using an HDMI cable, try swapping it with another to see if the issue persists. Sometimes faulty cables can disrupt the signal and cause green lines to appear. Step 2. Restart your TV. Before diving deeper, try giving your TV a quick restart. This simple step can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your Sony TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait about a minute before plugging it back in and turning it on. This process resets the system and can often clear up display anomalies like green lines. Step 3. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to display problems. Check if there are any new firmware updates available for your Sony TV. Access the Settings menu and navigate to the System Update section. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your TV's firmware. Keeping your TV's software up to date can improve performance and fix known issues. Step 4. Check for software bugs. Occasionally, software glitches might be the culprit behind those irritating green lines. If updating the firmware didn't help, try performing a factory reset. Remember, this action will erase personal settings, so back up any important data before proceeding. Navigate to the Settings menu, find the Reset option, and follow the prompts to restore your Sony TV to its original factory settings. Step 5. Connect an external device. If the problem persists, try connecting an external device like a Blu-ray player or a gaming console to your Sony TV. Use a different HDMI input if possible. If the green lines disappear when using another device, the issue could be with your TV's internal settings or a specific input port. You might need to adjust the resolution settings or inspect the input panel for any faults. Step 6. Contact Sony support. If none of the above solutions work, it's time to reach out to Sony support. Sometimes the issue could be due to a hardware malfunction that requires professional attention. Check if your TV is still under warranty, as repairs or replacements might be covered. Sony support team can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or recommend professional service if necessary. Dealing with green lines on your Sony TV can be frustrating, but with a bit of patience and these steps, you can often resolve the issue yourself. Remember, checking connections, updating firmware, and testing with external devices are crucial first steps. If all else fails, professional help might be needed. By following this guide on how to fix Sony TV green lines, you'll be back enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Good luck and happy watching.